Wow, this one is called sekpekpe. So I want to try this recipe that has been trending everywhere. Let's see, I want to try. So follow me now. I'm going to the mall to go and buy banana. Banana. Welcome, amazing family. This is Grace Kiswe channel. Okay, you're welcome. So now I say, hey, this thing where they trend me, I go consider the thing go pass me. No. I beg, if you never see this video, I beg. Check and I change everywhere. This Indian woman cook this, make this thing, and the thing go viral. I beg. Now I say no. Make me to give it try. I see as it dey taste. My dear, na so I carry money check my bag. Now I waka carry myself go more go buy banana. Say no, today me I go try am. So after trying the recipe, this is why I pass now where we recharge our card in case you don't know. You know they buy paper card. You have a place where you go buy recharge card. So that's why I enter more go buy banana. After banana, I go pay now. You know, if you dey for civilized country, everything dey very easy for you. I come buy the banana na 2 naira 31 kobo. Now I buy the banana. When I no mind me na budo na coin sha. So after buying na so I carry myself go back house. So make my just do the environment and so waka. And I come dey show na say make una see the banana. Finally we got it. Banana here I come. Me go do myself for where as I reach I carry hot oil put for fire. As you don't go na so I carry the banana go there. Me carry last for this recipe. Chef Grace. No now. We cannot do moment. After I don't fry make una see am finally. I come bring am out. The thing don brown. You dey see am here now. But the thing sha hot too. If you see I go know say e dey hot. Na so I can throw inside freezer make you go. No dull moment. Na sharply. We dey do our things. Try bring am out again after like small minutes. The thing still dey hot. If you look the video very well, you go see say smoke bin dey come out for the banana. Shey you see am. But funny enough, you know say I bin don try fry banana before, but I use am do this thing. I use am make toast bread. Maybe I will post the video again make you see the way I take do am. I no know say this one go come trend o, but the way I take do that banana that day, fry that banana, e go laugh you. But all the same, I go still post that one video make you see as I take do am. By the end of it, na toast bread I use am do. So after, if you notice, you go see smoke dey come out. I carry am put inside freezer again so that e go cool, you know. So now e don cool. Na so e don cool. So na so I come carry my this thing after matching am, you know, smashing am with my hand. Though I get smasher, but I no use am because the woman no use smasher. So she come pour flour. Na so as the woman do am, so me I dey do all the procedure. I come put my onions. The next thing, any pepper wey you get, abeg use whether fresh or anything. But she use this red pepper. So me I no get that one. Na this our Naija own I get. Na me I carry pour inside o, add salt. My dear, the next thing na turning. I turn am, you go mix am. The thing go come dey draw. E come dey do for my eye as if dey like say flour pass am o. After I finish, flour no pass am. So after mixing, make sure say you mix am very well. When you don mix the flour finish, the next thing you put your oil for oil now. The hot oil. You start dey fry your thing, my dear. Food is ready. So me I mold am in a small chunk because na so she mold am. I no wan mold am big so that e no go dry inside. So me I mold am small. Come put enough oil, you know. Come start to dey fry. Fry to your taste, so the way you want to. How brownish. You know say no be everybody like make their food too brown. But for me, I like it when it's brown. So finally, see am, you know, brown. That's why I bring am out to my people. This food at this moment, the food is something. In fact, the aroma is oozing everywhere. I'm not like if you try am. See am now, see the outcome. It is crispy. It looks crunchy, it looks crispy, it looks yummy, yummy sures. The eye alone self go dey do you. Come take, come take, come take. Finally, now I say make I taste this thing. The taste come be out of this world. This is actually nice. It's very nice, and at this time, my dear, try am, okay? I love you guys and I remain grace. Kiss you. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.